Hello everybody. How are you today over there? I was missing you, by the way. Were you missing me? I had a sore throat, so it wasn't a good idea to make videos, but now I'm okay. And today we are going to continue working with the text. So one more idea, I hope useful and good for you. We'll start with the text as usual, and after that there will be some kind of vocabulary work, and after that I hope you will be ready and you will be able, yes, to retell the text. And the text today is "Don't judge a book by its cover." There was a girl named Anna. She wore old clothes and looked quiet. Many people thought Anna was not friendly. One day a new student came to school. He was shy and had no friends. Anna helped him and smiled. Everyone saw Anna was kind and smart. Now people understood. Anna's clothes were old, but her heart was very good. This story teaches us an important lesson. We should not judge people by their appearance. Sometimes the best people are different from what we expect. Remember, don't judge a book by its cover. Now let's work with the words as we do usually. So first of all, we can see nouns from the text, and I give you the meanings of these nouns, but every time it's necessary to find these words in the text. It's a good idea, and you'll remember the text better, yes? And our idea, as you can remember, the more you can remember from the text, the better. So, clothes are the things that you wear. Do you remember? She wore old clothes. Heart, the place in a person where the feelings and emotions are thought to be. Her heart was very good. Cover, the outside of a book or a magazine. Appearance, the way somebody looks or seems. We should not judge people by their appearance. Then we have some verbs. First of all, regular verbs and then irregular verbs. Okay, regular. Look quiet. Look means to appear, to seem. She looked quiet. She seemed to be quiet. And don't confuse these two words, quiet and quiet. These are different words. Judge, to form an opinion, to expect, to be waiting for something, and to remember, to keep an important fact in your mind. Then we have a group of irregular verbs, and I give you all three forms, yes, that are necessary for different tenses that we studied. I hope that you also study my playlist, which is called Basic Grammar, or in Russian it is английская грамматика в схемах и таблицах. But today I was going not to use Russian at all, so I think it's going to be the only phrase in Russian. You can see, by the way, Russian translation, but I'm not going to translate it. Okay, so wear, wore, worn, think, thought, come, came, come, see, saw, seen, understand, understood, and teach, taught. So these were the verbs. And again, yes, each time you should try to remember the sentences from the text. For example, wear, wore, worn. She wore old clothes. Think, thought. People thought that she was very unfriendly or she was not friendly. Okay. Come, came, come. A new student came to the school, and so on. Okay. So I hope you are successful in this kind of work. And the last part of words, these are adjectives. Friendly means behaving in a kind and pleasant way. Shy, to be nervous or embarrassed. Kind, caring about others, about other people. Smart means intelligent, and it can be attractive as well. Yes, neat, smart, clean, okay? And different, not the same as somebody or something. So I think it is a good idea to return to the text and to read it once more. This time I'm not going to translate it, so you can pause the video and do it yourselves. And after that, you should look only at these words that are given here. These words are like the plan. You should use them and try to remember as much as you can from the text, something like retelling, right? Something like retelling. So it can be like this. There was a girl named Anna. She wore old clothes and people thought that she was not friendly because, I don't know, maybe, yes, why? One day a new student came to their school. He was shy and he had no friends, and Anna helped him. She smiled at him, yes, and everyone saw that she was very smart and her heart was good. And it was an important lesson to everyone, because we should not judge people by their appearance, and they can be very different from what we expect. I mean, good people can be very different from what we expect. So we should not judge the book by its cover. If you can do it yourselves, then it's nice, by the way, yes, it's the aim of our lesson. The more you can remember, the better. So I think that here we can stop our lesson. If you were not very successful in this kind of work with the text, pause the video, return to the previous, previous places where you can see the text itself. Look through it once more and try to retell it using these words. Okay. So thank you very much for participating, for supporting my channel. I hope there will be more subscribers as usual. Once more, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.